freaking it out. Cause I wasn't trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
Роскомздрав не запретит. Симпл-тимпл.